So some new purchases here. So what do you get?
Got a mad deal. See that there?
So what is it?
It's a drill and impact gun. DeWalt.
DeWalt.
Or DeWalt.
Hey, what do you call it? Yeah, what do you call this?
Shit, what do you call this?
What name would you call this?
DeWalt.
See, so what do you call this? DeWalt or DeWalt? Right now we got a... What is this? What's it? Clock? Yeah, it's clock. Clock impact. It's a wired one. And it's literally on or off. There's no slow thing in it. And it's pretty big. And it's pretty heavy. Look. What do you say? It's heavy.
It's heavy, come on.
And you see in this one, yeah? There's one of these and one of these. So what's that? A drill and impact driver. And 2 batteries and a charger. And it feels lighter than that thing does. What do you think? It does feel lighter, doesn't it?
Yeah, of course. How much is that bag?
Whoa, that's sick! You're chatting shit, fam! Hey, no, that's mad. I wasn't expecting that. Did you know that happened, fam?
Nah, fam.
What is this, Emma? What is it?
Put it there, fam.
Yeah, what is it though? I mean, like, what is it? No, what?
DeWalt drill in it, fam.
Drill, okay. But this is on the battery right now, isn't it? But like, is it? I think it's a nice size as well. And it's wireless, that's the thing. What's that now? Oh, it's the impact driver.
Oh, impact driver, mad.
That's tiny, man. That's good. Oh, yeah, these both have lights on it as well. You can see the lights are...
Mad, 3 LEDs.
I'll show you that in a second. You must grab a battery. Battery. Hopefully battery's charged. Oh, so you get a charger as well. Yeah, that's a good thing. Oh shit, what does this say? I guarantee the instructions at least saying to charge it before you use. Oh shit!
How you change shift, fam?
So you can see the light. Can you change the trigger, the speed of it and shit?
Yeah.
This thing here.
There's nothing compared to this one.
No. It's pretty good. I can't lie.
It's pretty good though. Yeah, it's mad.
We haven't tried it yet.
It helps us so much, fam.
But it's small.
Yeah, I'll get into this place, isn't it, fam? It's so nicely, fam.
I mean, this one, yeah, you can change the speed of it, innit? Like, is it slow, fast?
Yeah, you got throttle, fam. So I got RC car. If you got RC car in it, you get me.
It sounds like it as well. Hey, red light. I just got a torch as well. That's
fam.
pretty sick. You know,
You could choose the throttle, the torches off, fam.
Can I turn the torch off though? No.
I don't know, fam.
I don't think so.
Don't say why you would, fam.
Okay, I'll plug this in now. I'm going to show you what that one does. Like,
Shit.
that one there, yeah. All you can do is on it off in it. There's no in between.
There's no throttle on this one. It's just straight into it.
Yeah. But you can see how much his hand just snaps. Stop. And that's slow, so loud. This one, it's so small, and I can choose the power of it.
It's a big difference, fam. There must got mad fans coming on the side of it because I trust me. So.
This one is a small one, fam. Shit, fuck.
But that definitely can't put on your wheelnuts, man, can it, fam?
We'll try it. Alright, so we'll be back in 2 seconds. Have fun.
Ain't got a trap hole, thanks to the fans. I just walk in the rave and I make couple grand, fam. I get the place popping. Gal them love him. Niggas pay homage when the man them bopping. I can smell weed, walk one, who's shotting. Copper 3-5, get the gal them buzzing.